Next, how to add teams and players. For that, you have to log into the admin portal, and then first let's add the team. So here you already see one demo team. Let's keep it as it is. Let's add one more team. So now let me select the team logo, team name, which is mandatory, and team type. Either you can keep it regular, or if you have any other particular team type, you can write male, female, kids, senior, etc. So now I have selected male and then submit. Now one team is added. Now let me remove the unwanted team and let me add one more team. Team name, again team type and team points. So each and every team has one points. So you have to mention that. So now teams has been added. Now let's go to players. So in this player, you have to click on the plus button and then add a new type because we have created two more team type, male. So let me select male, and in this male category, whatever the details that you have to collect from the player, that thing you can set up. Here there are lots of options available. Whichever is needed, you can enable. Whichever is not needed, you can disable. Okay, now let me select the male category and now let me register the player. So whenever you are registering a player manually, make sure you have added the player type. So you can add the players one by one into that player type category. Now let me fill all the basic details like name, mobile number, and address, specification. So these all options are customizable. You can enable or disable whichever wanted or not needed. Yeah, now the player data has been added. Now this is manually added. If you want to add it or import it from Excel, first you have to download the dummy Excel file. And in this dummy Excel file, you have to fill the details which is mandatory. Registration number. If you don't have any particular registration number, you can write the sequence order 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So let me fill the name, address. Address is not mandatory, just I'm filling the details. If required, you can add or you can remove. But name, registration ID, mobile number, this is mandatory. And player type, also the player specification. Now whether he's a batsman or bowler, whatever it is, you can add it. Okay. Yeah. Now added. And for the images, we have an option for player image in the Excel. So in order to add that, you have to upload all the images in Google Drive, make it open for everyone, and add the links in your Excel. Now let me import this Excel file. Yeah, once the Excel is imported, you have to immediately click the fetch image option. So it will fetch image from your Google Drive. Okay. So this is how you have to import teams and players.